to the studio. Right, guys. On the way to the studio. Yeah, first time for the boys in the studio. How are you today?
Hello, guys. My name is Peter. Hey, Chris.
I'm Danny, Peter.
Hey, Danny. Nice to meet you.
It's my beautiful wife, Leslie.
Hello.
Shut that door, Leslie. Air conditioner's getting out. You raising the bar?
Don't want that.
Looking forward to this.
So am I.
We're gonna have a good time.
Oh, yeah.
If you don't mind.
Oh, I don't mind at all.
I'm just tweaking up the machine, get it happening for you.
Hey, little pussy.
God, man. I'm horrible, Sean.
I thought Mom was over there.
You're mean. It's the studio.
Oh, yeah. Stingy.
Let's get y'all's amps. The waiting before the playing.
No, it's not going to take.
See, because whenever it's humming, it's only when I'm not touching it. If I touch the strings or something, it goes away.
Yeah, well, it's not not going to the direct signal, so
Okay.
it's not really a problem. That's,
Cool.
I mean, Sean was like asking.
I know they ain't giving them the bar sales, but gotta be some way.
It's all my stuff. He-Man sheet. Where they watch you. And my poor RP1 is acting up. I have to use this. Oh well. And here comes JoDee Purkeypile.
Oh man.
But I understand if the bands that are struggling, it needs to more than, as long as we can pay our bills and make a little bit of profit, man, we should be happy. We shouldn't be out that. That's just it. But like how bizarre, they sold 470, what did you sell at, whatever they tried. They sold
Even got a remote control. Seeing if this take of boredom's good enough, we just finished. It's hot as hell in the studio. And we're just some wacky guys. Got some luck, man. Woo! Yeah.
Hey. You recording?
It's recording.
Mark Knoll's a dumb bitch. His feet probably have gum caked under the toenails. Mark Knoll.
No, the last part. Is that a good? Is that good corn?
What?
That's what that was
boy.
Corn. Corn man! He's eating that corn. It's gonna get in his tut.
Is that good?
Close up his mouth.
Come on.
Show the juices in his corn.
Take another bite. Take another bite. Come on.
Yummy. Come on.
Eat some.
Come on. Alright, I give up.
Don't we look like deadbeats?
Have a cigarette. God damn, dude, I'm a fiend ass fool, freak dick.
We're really bored.
Hold on.
We're going insane.
Yeah.
Got you without even trying.
You're tripping.
I did that on purpose.
You're tripping, man.
I did that on purpose. Whoa! 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 Oh. And it's Mark. Oh, isn't he
Hard
so
at work.
cute?
Drive me crazy.
These damn kids.
There's the corn, man. He's getting that corn out of his teeth. Oh.
Hey, we're recording Remembrance right now. It's really cool. I just thought I'd show you since I haven't been in this whole film.
You're doing so much that it doesn't. The bass waves don't have time to really catch,
Right.
and so it sounds like the bass is just not there. It sounds like someone's playing the lead guitar on the bass, basically. So we just need to simplify a little bit. Still keep some cool licks, you know. I mean, you just have to be a little bit more.
Yeah, I always wonder about that
Selective.
sometimes when I'm playing, if I do too much sometimes. And I like to play.
Yeah,
You know, I
know.
like to
Well,
noodle and.
it's important to just think of the song too. Sometimes you just gotta.
He likes noodles.
That's
Right.
what the song needs. Cool. We got a track though.
Cool.
That's good. Good track.
Hey, world. Come this way, world. Look at me. Kill your boss. Whoever it is.
Gee.
That's all.
And it doesn't happen to be a female, does it?
No, if you don't like your boss, kill him.
Those are good. That's good advice, man.
Good advice.
Everybody will be going up in the industry that way.
Yeah, there's all kinds of 7-Elevens. 7-Eleven.
Pretty close.
That's pretty damn close. Yeah. Yeah. Awesome.
Excellent.
Nice. And then come back in with the figure again for the third one. Okay. Oh yeah. Right. Yeah, because it's hooky. We want hooky right now on this one.
out here, Mark?
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
Awesome, man.
Oh, thanks, man. Did you really think so?
Oh, look how cool Oasis is. Oh, and they left a little thing. In studio, courteously trashed by UK's finest.
Yeah, now you're in trouble. That's the result.
It's karma, man. Picking on Chris.
Oh, maybe you're right. Last time, we took the lights out, didn't
Karma, man. Picking on Paul.
we? Hey! Dope!
Just not gonna take your soul. This is Mark's bitch right here. He's after you now, boy. No matter where you go.
Chris, run away from me.
Chris.
Actually, I love the way he does that.
That was too good, man.
Hard to get.
We're on day 3 at the studio.
See ya.
Hey, wait, here we go. Wait. Strobe, man.
Stroke.
Okay.
Yep.
I think it's the other guitar track.
You're hearing something out of tune?
There what you doing, dude. PigGie Hat in the studio 98, dude.
Woo! Huh.
I like standing in between those doors. You gotta give it a try sometime. Step into my office.
And the doors are
I don't like this.
You have infrared?
Chicken my punch. Gotta be a little quick around the back. Not you. Drink Pepsi.
Flip it around, man. Not showing the label.
I got a good feeling about
This
that.
is it.
Hello. How are you doing today, sir?
Fine.
What you doing?
Playing solitaire.
Why?
Because I'm lonely.
Yeah. Yeah. He just a sorry slob. Nah. Why are you lonely, dude? You have plenty... Wait. Why are you lonely, guy? You have plenty of friends here. You're the best drummer in Austin, right? I think you're a great drummer, Chris. One of the best I've ever heard. Oh, what's up, blood, and you don't know what? You gonna die, try, fly, cry. He's just a sorry slob. So what's up, man? What you doing still? Still playing?
Solitaire.
Why, dude?
Because I'm lonely.
You want a friend?
No.
Why not? You don't want a friend, huh? Why not? You don't need a friend?
No.
You don't want me as a friend, huh?
Yeah, I want you as a friend.
Okay. Look at the camera now. Are you a sorry slob?
No, I'm a cripple.
Smile, please. Smile. Smile, Chris.
No.
Come on. Smile. One time, dude.
Get some footage of this game.
Okay. Ooh, look at the game. Woo-wee. Wow, wow. That's great.
Wow. This game. It's amazing.
He just a sorry slob. He just a sorry slob. Ain't got no work to do, just sitting around, eating food. Barefoot, cut up. Get your fucking foot out of my face. What you watching? Blurs, huh? What the hell you doing in here, man? Why don't you come out there and hang out and be boisterous and loud?
Watching TV.
Like you always are. Huh?
Why are you doing that, man?
That's right.
Move the pillow. You have a pretty face. Chris. Ah, Chris. Hard at work. Taking care of very important business in the studio here. Let's see what you got there, Chris. Okay. So this is for your big card solo. And the end of the album, huh? Who's that?
Shut up, you dick.
Oh, okay. You know we're recording, huh? Look at you, you bitch. Look at you.
I've got a vocal to do.
Hey, stay away.
Get out of my life.
Go away from me.
You know, watch some TV? Taking a watch.
Yeah, there we go. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Look, I'm looking into the camera. What's up? What's up? What's up? No light. I can't see.
Lens cap is on.
I knew that. I got you. Slide.
All right. Yeah.
Woo!
Ready to do a record.
All right. Oh no. Ooh. Ah. What's up? What's up? Sean doing the native rain dance.
Yeah. It's working too. Look, come here. I've been doing this for 3 hours. It was bright and sunny and look at that.
Clouds.
Gray clouds.
What's up? What's up? I'm just a cat and I'm chilling. The van. Yeah, let's do some magic with the camera.
I gotta go, man. I ain't got time to fuck around with you.
I'm gonna make this dude's hair disappear on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was cool.
Hey, make it reappear.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
wow.
Hey, the cigarette disappeared.
Hey, his cigarette fell out. Oh well, he was done anyway.
Yeah, that's...
What is your favorite?
Yes or no?
Are you a fan? Oh God.
So we're done, huh?
Yeah.
Well, so we are now leaving. Woo! It was fun,
Actually, this is where it started.
and
Okay.
now we must say goodbye to the music world and go back to our normal lives. Later, man!
Later on, guys, Mr. Murdoch. After messing with my criminal homeboy.
Hello.
No! He's got cancer. His hair keeps falling out. He'll be alright.
He's the janitor around here.
Hey, I'm the janitor, remember? He's the 7-Elevener.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's right. I'm so sorry, I forgot. Look, we have guests.
Hi.
They've come to hang out on this glorious day. Well, hello, guy. How are you? Huh?
Don't do that. What are you doing to my face? Stop. Don't point that thing at me. My hair's fucked.
There's Mandy's golden locks. She's giving me the daggers. Oh, there's a smile. Volume's all the way down. I'm just watching a video. It looks cool.
You are not.
I am too.
Oh, whatever.
I'm watching the video.
Oh, you're gonna waste all the video.
Okay, here we go. Chrissy's necklace is gonna disappear. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Whoa! That was neat. That was cool. Let's reappear it. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! That was cool. Alright. Look at it.
Bloody Bill. You should put it up there. Don't.
Don't remember that. Okay, I'm gonna quit wasting this tape. Alright. Next time we should do it. Next time we do it, try to find someone. That is to keep me more on beat.
Do what?
That is to keep me more on beat to not say anything. Y'all can follow, right?
Yeah. Looky there.
Hey, JoDee. Say hi.
Hey, what's that?
Say hi.
Beautiful viewers.
Did they say something about me?
Studio,
What about you, Chris? Have anything to say?
hungry.
You're
Look over
hungry?
here. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
JoDee and his cigarettes. You smokehead,
Smoke face.
Chris.
Can I have one?
Swing. Paul's bald.
I look like the guitar player for Bowling for Soup. I'm the guitar player for Bowling for Soup.
You're the guitar player.
No, I need my sleeves. You were gonna say crowbar, weren't you? There, I'm Bowling for Soup.
Car Jack.
Hairy neck. Oh yeah. This is gonna look really cool on camera. Oh yeah. Chrissy, what are you doing? I see you. Trying to hide. Trying to hide. Oh yeah.
Here's Chris being lazy. He's hungry. What are you watching? Wonder Years. Great. You watch Wonder Years often, Chris? Yeah. Cool.
What do you think of this whole studio shenanigan? You like it?
Yep.
You think I like it?
Yep.
Oops. Fuck it. I like it a lot.
Looks like JoDee's on the TV. Will you hold it just right? Rippin'.
You laughed, but that had some cool stuff to do. You laughed by means of your guitar, you laughed.
I'm without a B string.
Oh, no wonder. Well, that must have inspired you.
Sure as hell did.
Okay, while you're doing that, I'm gonna put some shit on this guitar. So I'm weirded up around it.
Are you nice and full after all that pizza?
I feel great.
Chris's ear.
Here he goes.
What do you think of those times?
Oh no.
That's it? Oh no.
Oh no.
Yeah.
We were bringing you all the best. Man?
He's not done with you.
Hey.
I'm
talking to you.
I got both of y'all.
Oh.
Weird, man. No, we were bringing you all the best. It was kind of like a home-cooked Texas rock. It just slides right in your belly and you feel good.
Mm-mm.
You're fulfilled.
Fix you up a good meal, eh?
Fulfilled. Yeah. You know, I think it was just incredible watching that and then just remembering all the magic times, all the outstanding musicianship.
Yeah.
You know, and the way that we were just kind of like, you know, just sitting around like, or, you know, paranoid and stoned or something and just kind of like, oh, what? We're doing the album, what? Okay, and then Mark come up and say, okay, it's time to do a vocal. Let's go. Let's do a vocal. Do a guitar with up. No, you're not playing it right. Nope, do that. Nope, do that. Nope, do that. Nope, do that.
Well, how about if we do this? Nope.
What?
Yeah, it
Like,
was sort of like that. That was about...
Coming from us, we're saying, how about if we try this? And then...
Oh, yeah. You know, I wouldn't have got it if that hand gesture wouldn't have been there. You totally made me
Exactly.
understand.
Exactly. You know, because the hand gesture says it all.
Man, it stinks.
Oh, yeah.
No, it doesn't.
What?
Calling Sean stinky.
It's okay. He deserves it.
What I do now.
Oh, man.
You won't find one.
Guess not.
Alright, well, I guess that's it, eh?
B.
C. Usual fade out.
D.
E.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shan cam. So JoDee says it lost some of the fire. Shan cam. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha.
Because the candles.
Yeah.
Have fire on them.
That's some
Shan
best
cam.
work yet.
Okay.